Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell on Phantom Wallet. Let's begin. So it says here, sell NFTs directly from Phantom. Instant Sell is our new feature to sell NFTs instantly. Rather than navigate to various marketplaces and list your NFT over and over, Instant Sell lets you sell it in Phantom at the best possible price every time. So this is how it works. They aggregate offers from the top marketplaces to get you the best possible price. Then they serve it to you directly within your NFT. If you have an offer, you'll see an instant sell banner with the sell now, price listed, which is your NFT's highest available bid. So you're going to see it over there. From hold to sold in 2 clicks. Instant Sell improves your NFT selling experience in a few key ways. It streamlines the process, saves you time, and maximizes your sale price. So we're going to be taking a closer look. Sell NFTs in 2 clicks. Instant Sell streamlines the time-consuming process of listing and selling your NFTs on marketplaces. When you want to sell an NFT, just visit it on your wallet and press 2 buttons to complete the sale. Then get paid right away. Instant Sell is instant liquidity. You don't have to wait for your offer to be accepted. You just need to accept it, and you'll get the maximum return immediately. Receive the best offer. Don't want to compare offers across marketplaces? Get the highest bid every time from top Solana and EVM marketplaces such as Blur, OpenSea, X2Y2, LooksRare, Magic Eden, and Tensor. Make deals on the go. Use Instant Sell in the Phantom mobile app for more convenience. Respond to NFT offers and capitalize on trading opportunities from the palm of your hand. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.